vultures are very clean animals. Now the black vulture has a cousin called the turkey vulture, and you will often see black vultures and turkey vultures hanging out with each other. Well, turkey vultures look a little bit different. They have reddish heads and a lot more white underneath their feathers. And when they fly, they tend to keep their wings in a V shape and rock back and forth. We'll go ahead and fly Casey there for you today. They also, black vultures tend to keep their wings flat when they fly. Let's just fly Casey right over here. All right. There we go.
That was all.
There, hairstyle rearrangement. Now, it's very advantageous for the black vulture to hang out with its cousin, the turkey vulture, because unlike most birds, the turkey vulture has a very good sense of smell. Believe it or not, folks, birds don't have a very good sense of smell at all, including the black vulture. So the way the black vulture gets around their poor sense of smell is through intelligence. They follow the turkey vulture. They see a turkey vulture land on a dead animal, being a bit more aggressive, they'll scare the turkey vulture away and eat till they get their fill. Now, the black vulture is a member of the New World vulture family. These birds are more closely related to storks. The Old World vultures are more closely related to hawks and eagles. Let's see if we can fly Casey one more time here. There she goes. Okay. Now, when Casey comes down here, I want you to check something out.